In this video, I will show you how to integrate Fathom Analytics on your Webflow website and how to set up tracking events like button clicks, link clicks, and form submissions. So let's start. I created a Notion guide with all the steps you need to follow in order to integrate Fathom Analytics on your Webflow site. So the first step is going to be to create a Fathom Analytics account if you already don't have one. If you want, you can use my affiliate link and you will get $10 off your first month. After you created your account, we're going to log in, and under our settings, you're going to find sites and we're going to add a new site. I'm going to write Webflow test. Then I'm going to press and save. And after this, you're going to see a pop-up just showed up. We're going to select the framework Webflow, and now a code snippet has been generated. If you don't see any code snippet, don't worry, you can check my Notion guide and you will also find the code snippet here. Just make sure that you entered your site ID right here. Then you can just copy, and then we're going to go back to Webflow. And I've created a new project for this video, so I'm going to go to site settings and then to custom code, and I'm going to paste the code snippet in the head code. I'm going to click save and then publish, and then I'm going to go back to Fathom Analytics and click on verify site code. And now you see, please load your website to test the installation. So we're going to go back to Webflow and I'm going to open the site. And now if you go back to Fathom Analytics, you're going to see that our embed code is working perfectly. I'm going to click go to dashboard. And as you can see, yes, it is working. We have one real-time visitor, which is me. The next step is going to be to set up the events. I've already pasted the scripts for 2 events in my Notion guide, one for the link clicks or button clicks and one for form submissions. If you need any other events, you can always check the Fathom Analytics website, and there you will find all the events you can use. Let's start with the event to track link clicks or button clicks. I'm going to copy the script, and then I'm going to go back to Webflow, and I'm going to paste the code inside the head settings where the button is located which I want to track. So I'm going to paste it, and if you check here, you can see that the code is looking for an element with an ID, and we're going to paste the ID right here. So I'm going to save this for now. I'm going to select the button, go to settings, and I'm going to give this an ID. I'm going to write header button. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to page settings, and I'm going to paste the ID right here. And you can see that the event is tracking all the clicks on the button with the ID header button. And now we can give this event a name. So I'm going to write header button click to know what this is about. And then I'm going to save. I'm going to publish the website. And now we're going to check if it's working. So I'm going to open the site and I'm going to click once on the button. Now let's check if it worked. I'm going to go back to my Fathom Analytics dashboard and I'm going to load the website. And now you can see a new event has been added, header button click. And you can see that one person clicked one time on the button. And now if I go again, I reload and click again, we can see that this is being updated automatically. You can see now one person clicked 2 times on the button. So the next step is going to be to set up the event for the form submissions. So for that, I'm going to go back to my Notion guide and I'm going to copy the code. I'm going to go back to Webflow and I'm going to locate my form, which is right here. So I'm going to go back to the page settings and I'm going to add the code again in the head code. And as you can see, again, Fathom Analytics is looking for a form with an ID. So I'm going to click on save. I'm going to select my form right here, and I'm going to give it an ID. As you can see, this form already has an ID, which is form. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to page settings, and I'm going to paste the ID right here. And as you can see, the event is only working when someone submits a form. So now I'm going to let the name of form submit. This is okay for now. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to again publish the site. And now we can check if it's working. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to fill this out. I'm going to submit. And now you see, form has been submitted. I'm going to go back to Fathom Analytics. I'm going to reload. And as you can see, it works. A new event has been added with the name form submitted one time from one person. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, see you next time.